Employee Turnover by Nicole Rooney. There are many reasons that high employee turnover can occur. Employees may look for other jobs because they are unhappy with their current position. This may be contributed to by a poor onboarding process where roles and responsibilities were not clearly stated. If communication is poor, employees will become increasingly frustrated. Company culture plays a large role in employee job satisfaction. If company culture is not good, people will not want to be a part of it anymore. Many people start in a job, but are looking for opportunities to learn and grow. If there is not an evident sign of moving up or an opportunity, employees may feel stuck. Although compensation is not always the main component, it is a motivator. Employees need to feel valued, and one way this can be reflected is through compensation. High turnover hurts our company and our employees in a variety of ways. The cost of recruiting and hiring is high. Aspects that contribute to this include hiring expenses, training labor, lost sales, and productivity. When you lose an employee, you lose the productivity of their work. It is one less person contributing to the overall goal. As you can imagine, losing a person that completes a specific job leaves those duties to be fulfilled by another employee, on top of their current responsibilities. When an employee leaves, so does all of their knowledge and skills. Lastly, high turnover rate gives a poor reflection on who we are as a company, both internally and externally. So how can we fix our increasing high turnover rate? We do have some options. We need to find a way to get a better understanding of what our problems are so that we can come up with effective solutions. We could have small group meetings with our employees and discuss our strengths and weaknesses and where we need to put in more work to improve. We should conduct an employee satisfaction survey so that our employees feel they can speak truthfully about their concerns and issues that they have openly. The questions on the survey should be relevant and effective. Target areas could consist of management effectiveness, communication, company culture, teamwork, learning and growth, and leadership's ability to lead. If we choose to use a satisfaction survey with our employees, we must be committed to reporting the results back to them. We should also be committed to making changes to the work environment with their help and involvement. Misinterpreting the results or failing to act in response to the feedback can have a devastating effect on employee morale. Communicating transparently about the changes, their impact, and our future plans are all part of a positive satisfaction survey process. The survey should be conducted yearly, and the budgeted cost would be less than $850 per year. With the additional budgeted $120,000, we would conduct our employee satisfaction survey annually. We would implement a compensation package. The compensation package should be competitive enough to motivate people to stay with our organization. They can be used to improve morale, motivation, and satisfaction among employees. A proper compensation plan can also increase loyalty in the organization. In addition, we will invest in professional development trainings that focus on the importance of communication and teamwork. We will invest in personal growth opportunities, including a tuition reimbursement program to help support our employees. I strongly believe that if we work with our staff to find out how we can improve, we will be able to reverse our high turnover rate. By implementing new benefits, we are showing our employees that we value them and we want them to stay with us. Using the employee satisfaction survey shows them that we care about what they have to say, as long as we do our due diligence to put changes into effect. We will need to continue to work at improving our company culture, and I believe that these are some great first steps in doing so. I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch my presentation.